Do you need more followers? Share this video and make sure you follow me for more, because I'm going to reveal the secrets on TikTok that will make you gain more followers. You can see all these followers that I'm showing you, right? Make sure you follow me and share. All right, share. So let's go to my phone screen. Let me show you how to get 1,000 follower right now. 1,000 real follower right now. Let's go. So I want you to take a look at my TikTok followers so you can see how the followers are coming. All right, you can see these are real women, and all these followers you are seeing right here are coming from the advertisement I place, right? So look at it. So growing your TikTok account, it is very easy. All right, so pay attention. You can see the followers. This is bunch of followers. All right, for the past 5 days now that I've been running this sales promotion, a lot has been happening. You can see, right? You can still open more, and there are bunch of follower coming. All right, so on this video, let me show you how you can, create how you can create a campaign, how you can create an advertisement for your TikTok. A lot of people don't know how to run advertisement on TikTok, but on this video, make sure you pay attention because I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to make a post, right? So for me to do that, I will just click on add. Make sure you have the post that you want to post, right? So the next thing I'm going to do now, after having the post that I want to post, I will just go to my gallery. I will click on it. So let's say if I have a video that I want to post, so I'm going to search for the video right here. All right, just have patience with me. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me see which of the video it is. Not this one. So let me see this one. All right, for example, so let me say if I'm posting this video, I will just select the video, then I will click on this.
Let me show you how you can start using other people's content to make money. Yes, you can actually use other people's content to start making money on either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Very easy.
So
all right, you can even make money more than the owner of the content.
This video,
this is a lot of secrets
so
people
I'll just
don't know.
click on next. All right, so I just teach on how you can make other people content, like you can reuse other people content to get your account monetized, right? So you say, and this is for educational purpose. There is copyright for that, so but you can actually use other people content for informative and educational purpose, and you can make money from it. Copyright allow that, right? There is a copyright for that, but make sure you re-edit them very well. I've make a video. So for here now, I can decide, to post. So if I'm doing that now, I can say how to make money using other people's content for informative, am I correct, and educational purpose. Then I can still say how to earn money online. Then I can say another line, how to how to start how to start a faceless TikTok and YouTube channel. All right, so these are a bunch of lines. All right, so if you decide, you can decide to add tags or whatever things you want to add. But once I'm done, you see this place that say edit cover. I will just click on it. Then I will look for an attractive place. You get, so you can decide to choose whichever one you want to choose, right? If there's this cover you want to choose, you can decide to choose that. All right, do you understand? So, and if it is this one you want to choose, you can decide to choose that. So for me, I will choose this part. So then I will click on save. So after clicking on save, the next thing I'm going to do, I will click on post. All right, so you can see at the top it's
about TikTok is not going to give you the money.
So it's coming. You can see it's about 61%. So we are going to wait for it until we upload it. Make sure you are following my channel. All right, make sure you share this video. I share this video so that others will learn from it. So that is how to post, right? So now I'm going to show you how you can, make a sales. Like maybe you want to sell something on the internet. Let me show you how you can do it. And if you want to earn for view, I will show you everything. So the next thing I'm going to do here now, I'm going to click on the video. So I will just click on this video.
On OPay, you can start making
so after clicking 100 to 200,000 naira
every month. You all you just have to do is post your video. People, all right.
So after you post your video, this is what you are going to do. You see the 3 dots here after the comments, after below the favorite, just tap on it, click on it. So once you click on it, you see all those last button where it says save video, add to story, increase view. Click on increase view. A lot of people don't know this secret. So now this is the most interesting part, right? So these are the things you need to know. So now at the top they say choose your goal. You see the first one, they say boost your account. Then if you see the second one, get sales. Then the third one, they say boost life. Then the last one, they say get leads. Let me explain one after the other. So the one that they say boost account, you can see if you want to boost your account by more video views, this is the first one. Then if you want to boost your account with more followers, that is the second one. Then more profile visits, that's the third one. On the section that says boost account, to this one, any promotion you run here is all about increasing your engagement on TikTok. So if you are looking for a follower, you can decide to pick this one, the number 2. So if you are looking for view on your video, you can decide to pick this one. While if you're looking for people to visit your profile, you can click the third one. All right, so if you click the third one, it will happen like this. It will happen like this. So now what you just have to do, if you have something you are selling, let's say you are selling wigs, let's say you are selling like home decor stuff, let's say you are selling anything you are selling, just click on get sales. So I'm going to click on the get sales now. All right, so on the get sales now, this is how it is. So you can see they are going to ask you select goals to continue. So what is your intention? How do you want to get your customer? Do you have a website you want people to visit from TikTok? You can see that is why they say more website visits. So you click on it. All right, so you click on it. So once you click on it, they are going to say, look at the top, they say your landing page. So if you have a website, copy the link, the website URL, and put the website URL, put the website URL there where it say website link. Enter, you can just enter here. Look at where I click that I'm typing something. You enter www.simoeyes.com, CBS updates. You can add it there, right? So then the option that will be coming up on your video, how do you want the option to be? How do you want people, what do you want people to see before they click? So for example, you can see where there are call to action. If you're not familiar with that, those buttons that do come up on advert anyway. So for example, if it's educational purpose and you want people to learn more about it, you click on learn more. If it's a shop that you like, a store that you have on the internet, like on your website, and you want people to visit to buy something, just click on shop now. If you want people to sign up for a tutorial or sign up for something, then you click on sign up. If you want people to contact you, you click for them to contact, which is the third or fourth one. So if you have something and you want people to apply, all right, maybe you want people to apply for a loan or something, you click on that. Then if you want people to book, maybe it's a hotel rooms that you want people to book, this is it. So donate, maybe people are to donate money, you click on that. Download, if it is to download, request time, see menu, watch more, call now. So all the buttons are on that section for the website, right? So you can see the rest where they say select your content. You click, you select your content, custom promotion. If you want a custom promotion for your business, you can decide to do that. So price deduction, all right, so all this stuff are there. But for me, this is always what I do. Since I want people to contact me on WhatsApp, I go generate my WhatsApp link and I paste it there. Then I can put contact me. All right, that's what I used to do. Very, very easy for my business. All right, so the second one is those of you that go on live and you don't see people coming on live to interact with you. All right, so this is another thing you can do. So once you click on boost live, now this is it. You see the first one, they say more live views. So if you want people to view your live, to pay attention to what you are doing on your live, make sure you pick this one. Right, make sure you pick this one, which is the first one. Then you select your budget. If it is 20 pounds you want to use, this is because I have UK account, that's why you are seeing pounds. So in any country you are, you can actually see yours. And if you want to select the amount you wish to use, maybe Alexa one, you can click on this. So once you click on custom, then you come here to edit the amount you wish to edit. All right, so once you take it, so they will tell you the minimum amount you can enter between £5, all right, to what is it called, to 1,000. So for example, I could just say £5 and I click on confirm. So how many hours do I want to stay there? So I can decide, okay, I want to stay for like, maybe for like, I can decide to stay for like I can decide to stay for like maybe 8 hours. Then I click on this. Then all you just have to do is click on paid. So you can adjust the hour you want to stay. It's very, very easy, right? It's very, very easy. So you choose the hour that you want to say. So that's how that one work. The second one, if you just want to be getting followers, you can decide to pick the second one that say more followers. Then the third one is get leads. These are the people that want contacts. They want to be getting people phone number, maybe like the email for other businesses. So you see, once you click on get lead, they will say more TikTok messages. If you want people to be messaging you from your product or whatever you are selling, you just have to pick the video and boom, you start getting DM. And if you want more phone calls, if you want people to call you, this is it. You can pick the second one. All right, you enter your phone number, then you put the action that say call now, contact us. All right, so the third one here, you can see other messaging app. You click on it. So they are going to ask you, how do you want people to contact you? If it's on WhatsApp, you click on it. If it is on Messenger, you click on it. So if you have other URL, then you click on it. And this is how it works. It is very, very easy. And after doing that, you start having view. For example,
your mates they village the mode block, the mode.
If you see this video that I did, I promoted this video.
And your Nigeria TikTok account
here, this my video, I promote this video. That is why you are seeing about 3,000 share, 3,000 people share this, and I have 35k view. All right. The video you just watched, if you found that video useful, make sure you subscribe, follow me for more video like this, and like, and don't forget to share. Pass like that.